On today's episode of Shay's Weight Loss Tip of the Day, healthy snack eating tip. If you're someone that doesn't get full off of simple stuff, not simple stuff. If you're someone that doesn't feel full or get full off of things like this is yogurt, blueberries, bananas, and dates with chia seeds. Also, if you are someone that this doesn't fill you up, drink a bottle of water or get your gallon of water, drink that down, and then you'll feel full. You're not supposed to feel full, honestly, anyway, but if you're someone like, I want to eat to feel full with the right stuff. Love you. Bye.